don't know what else to say. Ain't no particular reason, just hit by your wave.
हाय गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। आज हम लोग मेरा गेस्ट बेडरूम मेकओवर करने वाले हैं। सो दिस इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी स्मॉल रूम एंड बहुत ही रेयरली यूज में आता है वो। मतलब जब कोई घर में आता है ओनली देन वी यूज इट, अदरवाइज इट इज ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द टाइम अनयूज्ड, विच इज व्हाई आई हैव नॉट रियली डन एनीथिंग टू इट येट। बस एक डेस्क एरिया है विच आई हैव डेकोरेटेड बिकॉज दैट इज द ओनली स्पेस आई यूज every day, but I really wanted to convert it into a cozy space for anyone who visits us and stays in that room. So let me first show you how this room looks like right now. When you enter, you have a full length mirror over here, and then इस साइड पूरा wardrobe है। wardrobe के साइड में यहाँ पे बेड है which is like a very basic bed, and रायलू यहाँ पे काफ़ी खुशी से सोते हुए, एंड ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं है, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 2 कैनवस पेंटिंग मैंने ऐसे ही लटका रखा था वहाँ पे। एंड देन यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा मंदिर है विच आई विल रिमूव फ्रॉम हियर, एंड देन यहाँ पे मेरे थोड़े ट्राईपॉड्स वगैरह पड़े हैं। यहाँ पे मेरे कैनवस पेंटिंग्स पड़े हुए हैं जो मैंने अभी तक कहीं पे भी नहीं लगाए। बेड के ऑपोजिट वाले वॉल पे ये मैक्रेमे पीस लगा हुआ है, एंड दैट्स इट। एंड बस एक ये एरिया है, दिस इज माई डेस्क एरिया विच is the only area which I've decorated till now, but again I am going to change some part of it. That's the room as of now. ये बहुत ही छोटा सा room है, and I hope that we turn it into something that looks pretty. Railu is not interested. So this is the basic queen size bed. Of course I don't like it, so I am going to change its color. I am going to paint it with a chalk paint. I'll show you which color I am going for. Okay, so bed paint करने के लिए ये 3 चीज़ों का यूज़ करने वाली हूँ मैं। सबसे पहले I am going to apply a coat of white gesso. ये kind of primer है। अगर आप metal को paint करना चाहते हो तो gesso is used to kind of prime the surface before you paint it. And then I am going to use this chalk paint. ये सैंडस्टोन चॉक पेंट है, एंड मैंने इसको एक टेबल पे भी यूज़ किया था थोड़े टाइम पहले, एंड आई रियली लाइक द कलर। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द कलर ऑफ द बेड। एंड जब ये पेंट सूख जाएगा देन वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई 2 to 3 coats ऑफ वार्निश जस्ट टू काइंड ऑफ सील द सर्फेस। एंड बस ये 3 चीज़ें चाहिए हमें, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ द जेसो।
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. She doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through.
For the wall behind the bed, I am creating a shiplap effect using this supremely thin tape that I have got from Amazon. I will provide the link to everything I use in this video in the description box down below, so definitely do have a look. I had created a full-blown video on the shiplap effect before. I'll provide you the link in the cards above, but essentially what I'm doing here is I am measuring the gap using this piece of paper, then sticking the tape in the horizontal format, and that's all. To secure the tape properly, I have stuck the cello tape on the ends of the line like this. Good morning. आज एक्चुअली 3rd डे है। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत ही स्लो काम कर रही हूँ, बट आई एम रियली इंजॉइंग द प्रोसेस एज आई ऑलवेज डू। मैंने कल ये बेड पेंट किया था एज यू ऑलरेडी सॉ, एंड आई जस्ट कांट बिलीव हाउ मच ऑफ अ डिफरेंस इट इज़ मेकिंग। इट लुक्स so much better, कितना ज़्यादा अलग सा लग रहा है। and I'm yet to do one more coat by the way. सिंहासन पे आ गए हैं महाशय. एनीवे आई वाज सेइंग कि अभी एक कोट करना और बाकी है एंड मैंने अभी तक ये लाइंस भी फिनिश नहीं किया, तो वो मैं करने वाली हूँ अभी. उसके बाद विल डू समथिंग एल्स. है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? So I'm almost done painting the bed and this is what it looks like. I think that this small change has made a huge difference, but I do know that it looks incomplete right now. Of course I'm going to do something about it, but right now I want to move towards this desk area which is right here. तो ये जो desk area है इसका मैंने makeover किया था कुछ time पहले. I kind of created this arch which is actually not really painted on the wall directly, but yes, I will link that video if you're interested to see how I did this. I personally like the desk space which has a lot of things like, you know, some paintings, some plants and बहुत ऐसे छोटे छोटे personalized items एक साथ, you know, put together to create that desk space. I really like that. I have saved a lot of them on Pinterest. I keep seeing all those things. So I also wanted to give it a little personalized kind of touch. I wanted to use some of my paintings जिसको ऐसे भर देना चाहती हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा. So we are going to tackle that right now because this is actually the place where I work from. मैं पूरे टाइम यहाँ पर ही अपना लैपटॉप वाला काम करती हूँ. So I wanted to make it a little bit colorful because that's how I like it. I have some of the stuff like this corkboard which I got from Itsy Bitsy and some of the paintings that I have made in the past and I wanted to, you know, kind of display them somewhere. Yes, I want to, you know, have them somewhere at least because this is my hard work and I really love them. I am using a 3M tape to stick this corkboard on the arch. It's pretty lightweight and looks super cute against that yellow background. I pinned few of my things like my picture, a bookmark, some cupcake stickers and few cute little items that I had on me. By the way, I had also removed this plywood piece that I had put as a shelf, but it was a little dirty, so I decided to give it a coat of white paint just to give it a new feel. I decided to put up my paintings on the side wall. I'm not sticking anything directly to the wall. I first stuck a piece of wallpaper on the wall and then stuck the canvas using 3M tape over that piece of wallpaper. That way the wall remains undamaged when we remove all of this. Moving on to the wall opposite to the bed, I had this big ass hat, and this is, by the way, a very beautiful hack to decorate your space with the stuff that you already have. I took these leaves and an aluminium wire, and I am just kind of pinning all the leaves on the hat from the front and then to the back using the wire. These leaves comes with the loop in between, so it was pretty easy to attach them to the hat, and this is what it looks like finally. I used these buckles that I had for quite some time and hung this whole thing on the wall. Now, of course, you can use the hat as a hat whenever needed, and it looks beautiful hanging like this on the wall. I had this tokery which I hung on the wall. There is a hack to hang it. Just twist a paper clip and ऐसे basket में पहले you can insert it and then hang the basket with the help of the hook. I'm hanging it on a 3M hook again, and I'm putting a hanging plant from Amazon and some florals in it. Now we removed the mandir from this spot and put this table which I had painted. इसमें भी मैंने same paint use किया था जो कि bed पे use किया है. I thought it would be a nice idea to have a similar color palette on the side table too. I put this elephant planter and put this cute little money plant which was gifted by a dear friend of mine, some books and this lamp that I had made in one of my videos. I put this small tokery here so that the guests can put their charger or earphones etc. in it. On the shiplap wall I am hanging this jute bag. I think jute, bamboo and the color palette like that works really well in the decor. So I used this bag which was lying in my cupboard all this while. I put some florals inside and I thought it looked really beautiful. I put this furry rug on the side of the bed and used this beautiful peachy pink colored bed sheet for the bed. Got this one from Myntra and it looked beautiful with the background I felt.
Harder days make it easier to call you. I let myself give up. Slip on solid ground so I can drown the thought of what I don't wanna think of right now. I gave in to your sense of direction, and you just walked all over me. So I can accept your offer for protection, but I don't wanna think about that. There's no point trying to trace my old tracks. I always love you most before you.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed making over this space with me. Actually really loved how it turned out. मेरी expectations से तो काफी अच्छा हो गया ये. Especially this desk area, I really love how colorful this is. And if you also like it, then you know what to do. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to your friends. And I'll see you next week. Bye.